say it like that. If I hate you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiki Beats, and if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget before you leave to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. In today's transformation video, or this tutorial, will be featuring drugstore affordable products, none other than the Wet n Wild collection. Absolutely love this collection, so I'm excited to drop this tutorial and to show you guys the look that I'm coming up with for you guys today. So without further ado, let's just get into this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on all social medias. They will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. This is the micro brow pencil, and well, the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. I believe this is in the color dark brown. It's so funny because the color is not even noted on here, but anyway, I'm going to use this for my brows. For me, I like a brow that is nice and natural. My brows are naturally thick, well, not naturally thick, but when I draw them on, somehow, like the way that they're set up, they come out super thick. But I absolutely like the way that they look. Now, I have used this brow pencil before. The only con that I can say about this pencil is that it breaks so much. So I've only used it maybe like once or twice, and I'm only going to do one brow and I'll do the other eyebrow off camera so that you can see what I'm actually doing.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a.
So for concealer, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the color medium or deep tan. Unfortunately, this was the like darkest color or shade that they had that I could use to clean up my brows. So I'm just going to go with that, and I'm putting it on this palette just so you guys can see. I don't want any product on my hands today, so I'm just warming it up.
To get my no, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry.
So I actually have a Wet n Wild concealer in dark cocoa that I'm going to use to clean up the top portion of my brow.
I choke you down just like a pill.
I'm going to go into the other eyebrow off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm going to go in to prime my lids with that same concealer. This is the Soft Focus Photo Focus Concealer Medium Tan, and I'm just going to place it on my eyelid.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you.
For palettes today, I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Bed of Roses, and then I'm also going to go in one that I've had, and sorry it's kind of messed up, but this is the Color Icon Not a Basic Peach palette. So I'm going to use both of those palettes to come up with my eyeshadow combo today. I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush. This is the M433 brush, and I'm just go into this orange shade. And gonna use this as my transition color. Then I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna go into this color. It's supposed to be used as a transition to blend out this orange shade just a little bit. Now I'm taking that same brush, I'm gonna go in and grab this burgundy color right here, same brush. And I'm going to put this into my crease. I'm gonna go and grab this, like this purple shade right here, and also take that into my crease. I think I'm loving this. I am loving the color. I'm loving the pigmentation. The pigments from this eyeshadow palette, the Bed of Roses palette, and it's like blending absolutely stunning on my lid. I have a little bit of fallout. You guys can't really see. I have a little bit of fallout, but I'm absolutely loving. I'm living for this palette. Alright, so I'm going to take that same purple and I'm just going to take it on my outer corner and also on my inner corner to create sort of a halo. To take a small shadow brush and I'm going to spray the brush with the Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 primer water. I think that's what they get, primer water. And I'm just going to spray. And I'm going to take this pretty champagne like rosy shimmer shade and put this. Oh, okay, it's a lot of fallout with this one, but let's take it on the lid and see what happens. I choke you down just like a pill. So it didn't show up as intense like the other colors did, but I like it. I like the champagne. I like the little bit of shimmer you get with this color. Okay, I forgot that thing was on. So I think I like it. So I'm gonna just go back in and pack on some of that purple again. I'm satisfied with it. I like the way that it came out. You know, without the concealer. I actually like it. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So both eyes I've done and I did the other eye off camera. So now I'm just going to take some concealer, some of the leftover product that I used earlier, and kind of clean up around the eyelid. To prime my face, I'm gonna use the coconut Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. For foundation, I'll be using the Photo Focus foundation, the Wet n Wild Photos foundation in the color Espresso. Now this was the lightest one that I could find in store, so it may come off camera as super light, but we're gonna roll with it. I choke you down just like a pill. some reason I want to mix concealers, I'm gonna use the Photo Focus concealer in medium tawny and medium deep. Now I kind of feel like these concealers will be completely lighter than I expected, and I did not find another one besides the dark cocoa, which is like this kind of color. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to use this one, the dark cocoa and the medium deep tan, to actually highlight.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So to my knowledge, Wet n Wild does not have a setting powder that I prefer, so or that I've ever seen. I looked at their bronzers in store, and unfortunately they did not have something that complemented my skin, because I am a dark skin girl, or more deep tone girl, and so for me I didn't find anything. Now when I went online, I did see some of their products that were geared to more of the darker shades, but for the sake of setting and bronzing and all that stuff, I will be using other products. So I'm going to highlight and contour off camera, and I'll be back to finish this look. Okay. So I set and contour off camera, as you can see. If you can tell. So now I'm gonna go and set my face using another palette. Using another product outside of Wet n Wild, because again, when I went into the store, I didn't really see anything, so I'm just using my all-time favorite, the Black Radiant Soft Focus Pressed Powder, finishing powder, in milk chocolate, to set my face. All right, so now I'm just going to go into the eyelid, and I'm actually going to put some shadows on the bottom lid, and I'm going to be taking a Morphe 573.
You say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild multi-stick I guess crayon multi-stick liner, and I'm going to go in and line my waterline just like that. Whoa! Look at that intensity. I love it. I'm living for this look. It's actually coming out better than what I expected. Okay. So then I'm going to take my waterproof Hydrofuge mascara by Wet n Wild to touch these lashes, honey.
Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry.
For my bottom lashes, I'm going to take the Mega Length Wet n Wild mascara. The bristle on here, or the spoolie on here, is much thinner and smaller, so it's able to touch those bottom lashes like I want. Today's lashes, it is not by Wet n Wild. I went into the drugstore and got a whiff of those lashes, and honey child, I don't know Wet n Wild even tried it. I don't know who are they dedicated to, but they are not for me, because I love a bomb lash or an intense lash or a lash that's making that pop that I want. So I ordered these off the line. There's like some regular little lashes from that I ordered offline, and they're called Makini lashes, and this is how they look. So I'm going to apply these babies so we can get this look some pop. Okay,
Someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.
and I must say I'm absolutely loving these lashes. Okay, like look at my eyes, like it really intensified this look. Like, are you kidding me? I'm getting like Tyra Banks vibes. Okay, you get like Tyra Banks. Okay, but anywho, telephone. I'm going to set my face using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus matte finishing spray. Set that face. Now this is a Mega Glow highlighter. I couldn't tell you exactly which one this is, but I had like Precious Petals and something Flower Bomb. So I'm going to highlight with this. This is a Wet n Wild highlight. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of gone off, whatever. But I am going to highlight with this.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
I'm going to use the Video Vixen liquid catsuit lipstick for my lip today.
Get my fill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so
oh my god, I am living for this look now. If you ain't feeling it, you on the wrong goddamn planet, okay? Because guys, look, like I'm just like completely in awe of how this look came out, even to the lip. Okay, like I'm feeling this. Like this look is definitely giving me the life that I need and that I want. Okay, if you ain't feeling it, you ain't gotta feel it, because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it all. Okay, so I'm going to go change and I'll be right back. So guys, here is the finished look. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Also, leave all your comments about this look in the comment section, because I am feeling this. Okay, like I'm feeling myself, okay? Yes, so if you like this look and you like the way that it came out, please don't forget to leave your comments down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you like this tutorial, or you liked you know, vibing and kicking it with me, please go ahead and hit that bell button so that you can be notified on all future updates right here from this channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.